Alrighty, boys and girls, we're going to do another fun activity that has to deal with flowers. Today we are going to do a math activity involving a flower and its petals. So what I'm going to start with, what you're going to need is construction paper or just normal paper, and you can color it and make it pretty, scissors, and we have at the school this cool little hole punch when we realize you may not have that at your house. So you can use scissors, and I'll show you how to use that. And then a marker. Alrighty, so we have this hole punch, which just makes a perfect little circle for the inside of our flower. So we're gonna do that, and I'll just do 2 of those. But what you can do if you don't have this hole punch at home is you can fold your paper in half. It's the best way to make like a perfect circle. And you're just gonna cut a half circle by folding your paper in half and doing a little half circle. And there you go. There's a circle.
Nice too.
And that works just as good. And then I'm going to show you, I have a few different colors of paper. You can just do one color if you want, but I thought I could make it colorful. And we're going to make the stems, so I'm just going to fold these papers in half. It'll just get the job done quicker. And what we're going to do, it's going to be kind of like a half circle, but bigger, almost like an oval. And there we go. That can be our petals for our flower.
Gotta get closer, Miss Myers, so let's see how you're doing that.
Almost looks like a half moon. All right, I think we have enough. So what we're going to do next is I'm going to take these little circles, and you guys can do whatever numbers you want, but I am going to go with 4. We'll do a 4 and a 6, and they don't have to be in order, numerical order, and then an 8. And what you're going to do, you have all your petals over here, and you're going to make a flower. So we'll take this one, 4. And so how many how many petals do you think this one's gonna get? It's gonna get 4 petals. So we're gonna pick up our petals and we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Ooh, pretty.
And so the higher our number goes, the more petals it's gonna get. It's gonna get fuller and fuller. And now, what do you think? How many petals is this flower gonna get? 6. That's right. So we're going to count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And see, that flower is even fuller. And then on this last one, whoa, we have 8. So we're going to count out 8. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Look at that beautiful flower. So look at that. We just made 3 flowers. And they're beautiful.
They are.
And
Those
we're
are
doing
lovely.
math.
And moms and dads, of course, like we tell you, could go from 0 to 10 or 0 to 20, whatever you feel like you would like to do, and you don't have to cover all the numbers. I was telling Miss Myers, and it's bothered me if it was pre-K pages, but she had an activity, instead of cutting out petals, they would use Play-Doh, and they just would roll it into a little ball, and then they would put that many little balls to be the petals around, which is great for the fine motor, to be able to use those muscles to make the little balls. Of course, this is another great fine motor activity to cut out if you want to have your children cut out the petals. But here's an idea for an activity that the boys and girls can do. Thank you, Vanna White. Have fun.